Hello everyone! Come to Canada with me. The land of fantastic wildlife and incredible natural beauty. Join us as we explore some of Canada's most breathtaking rivers, lakes, and mountains in Banff National Park and its surrounding areas. Johnston Canyon is one of the most popular destinations in Banff National Park. Carved steeply into the limestone bedrock by thousands of years of water erosion, Johnston Canyon offers hiking trails and bridges to waterfalls, ridges, and spring pools. The easy hike to the lower falls is just 30 minutes. Getting to the upper falls is another 30 minutes from the lower falls, and the hike is a bit more strenuous but fairly easy. Be sure to bring some water with you and stay hydrated. Both the lower and upper falls in Johnston Canyon are absolutely stunning. Now let's head to one of the world's most famous turquoise lakes. Yes, I am talking about Canada's crown jewel, none other than Lake Louise. Lake Louise is also located in Banff National Park. No words can describe how splendid this site is. The crystal turquoise lake in front of Victoria Glacier, with soaring snow-capped mountains in the backdrop, and a palatial hotel at the banks of the lake. This is something out of a magical fairy tale. The historical Fairmont Chateau exudes elegance and class with its lavish decor and grand spaces, offering breathtaking views of the majestic mountains surrounding Lake Louise. Another spectacular jewel in Banff National Park is Moraine Lake. This sparkling turquoise-colored glacially fed lake is situated in the Valley of the Ten Peaks and is just 14 kilometers from Lake Louise. One of our favorite picnic spots in Banff National Park was the day-use area at Two Jack Lake. This is a picturesque emerald green lake in Banff National Park with a sweeping view of Mount Rundle. And just a quick 5-minute drive from Two Jack Lake is the majestic, mirror-like lake, Minnewanka. This glacial lake is one of the longest ones in the mountain parks of the Canadian Rockies, and the cruise boat ride takes you to the end of the lake. This boat ride is a fun adventure to experience with your family. Now, if you are in Banff National Park, you cannot miss walking around downtown Banff. This vibrant town offers many unique restaurants, cafes, bars, and shops that encapsulate the friendly local vibe that makes Banff so special. One place we always visit on our trip to Banff is Cow's Ice Cream. Famous for their extremely creamy, dreamy ice creams and unique flavors, Cow's Ice Cream is a must-try if you are in town. And before you leave Banff, don't miss a visit to the absolutely heavenly Bow Falls. Bow Falls is a major waterfall on the Bow River located right across the Banff Springs Hotel and golf course. I could literally spend hours just sitting here taking in this incredible view. Just 5 kilometers from Banff National Park is the beautiful and quaint resort town of Canmore, fringed by towering mountains and fantastic lakes. At the beautiful Quarry Lake in Canmore, surrounded by the open park, this lake is a perfect place for picnics, hiking, and biking. We stopped at the Scoopin Moose to enjoy their famous ice cream, and we highly recommend this place. Now I will let you into a special secret spot that not too many people know about, but is an absolute must visit. The astounding Kananaskis Country borders Banff National Park and the town of Canmore. The deep forests, valleys, and hills of Kananaskis Country are home to an abundance of Western Canada's most legendary wildlife, including bighorn sheep, mountain goats, mules, white-tailed deers, cougars, wolves, and of course, bears. The glorious Kananaskis Lake was our favorite spot, and we came here as often as we could. Enjoying a picnic of freshly made food with a view like this is just priceless. There are trails all around the lake that connect the upper and lower Kananaskis Lake and boast the most spectacular views. Also located in Kananaskis Country is the gorgeous Kananaskis Village, offering multiple hotels, restaurants, and several fun activities to enjoy. One amazing activity to enjoy in Kananaskis Country, apart from appreciating the awesome sights and sounds of beautiful Mother Nature, is the Blackshell Suspension Bridge, which is an easy, short, family-friendly hike through the lush forest with beautiful mountain views and stunning wildflowers. The total hike round trip is approximately 6 kilometers and is mostly uphill, but well worth it and very doable. The narrow, wobbly bridge overlooks the Blackshell Creek, surrounded by the ruggedness of the marvelous Canadian Rockies. Canada has so much to offer, and although we have visited many times, we still have not had enough. Thank you for joining me on my trip to the Banff National Park area and the surrounding regions. And I will be sharing my favorite spots in Calgary in my next video, so stay tuned for that one. Join me again next time. I'll see you soon.